Hello, I am Bhavika Jain. Today we are gonna discuss about our skeleton system. In this chapter, we will discuss about joints, type of joints types example, movable joints, muscles, type of muscles type example. So let's begin. Joints. What are joints? A joint is the part of the body where two or more bones meet to allow movement. Human body has 360 joints, 86 skull joints, 6 throat joints, 66 thorax joints, 76 in the spine and pelvis, 32 in each arm and 31 in each leg. Types of joints. Immovable joint or fixed joint is a place in the body where two bones are joined together but show very little or no movement. This includes joints between the bones of the skull, joints in the pelvis joint, between the teeth and the lower jaw. And another type of joint is movable joint. The joints that provide free movement to the body are called movable joints. This type of bones is found in the arms, leg, hip and shoulder. There are 6 types of joints. Ball and socket joint is the first joint. Second is the hinge joint. Third is the pivot. Fourth is the gliding joint. Fifth is the cordyloid joint. And sixth is the saddle joint. This is joints type example. As I told you, there are 6 type of joints. First is a pivot joint between C1 and C2 vertebra. It is found in the neck, as you can see here. Second is the hinge joint. It is found in the elbow and the knee. Third is the saddle joint between trapezium, carpal bone and first metacarpal bone. Fifth is a plane joint between tarsal bones. Fifth is a condyloid joint between radius and carpal bones of wrist. Here. And the last and the 6th joint is a ball and socket joint. It is a hip joint and it is also in the elbow. In the shoulder. Next is movable joints. Ball and socket joints. Permitting movement in all directions, allow backward, forward, sideways and rotating movements. Example, the shoulder and hip joints. Hinge joint. The hinge joint allow movement only in one direction, just like a door opening and closing in one direction along the plane. Examples are elbow joint and knee joint. Third is a cordyloid joint. The cordyloid joint allows movement but no rotation. Example, including your finger joints and your jaw. Fourth is a pivot joint. This type of joint allows side-to-side movement. Example are the joint between ulna and radius bones that rotate your forearm and the joint found between our head and neck. Fifth is a gliding joint. Gliding joint allow the bones to glide past one another in any direction along the plane of the joints, up and down, right and left, and diagonally. This type of joint is found in wrist and ankle. Saddle joint. The saddle joint does not allow rotation. It does enable movement back and front and side to side. An example is the joint at the base of your thumb. Muscles. What are muscles? Muscles are soft, fleshy but strong tissue that are attached to the bones by through bands called tendons. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are 650 muscles in our body. Muscles attach directly or indirectly to the bones and work in opposing pairs. One muscle in the pair contracts while other relaxes to produce movement. The muscles at the front of arm is called biceps muscles. The muscles at the back of arm is called triceps muscles. When the biceps muscles is working, the triceps muscle is relaxed. When the triceps muscle is working, the bicep muscle is relaxed. Contraction of triceps muscles straightens the arm. Types of muscles: voluntary or skeleton muscles. These muscles work according to our will. These are found in arms, legs, eyes, tongues, etc. Thus, while reading, writing, walking or running, we use voluntary muscles. Involuntary or smooth muscles. These muscles are found in the internal body organs and works automatically. They perform action such as forcing food through intestine. Cardiac muscles. These are found only in heart. These are involuntary muscles responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Muscles types examples. Hinge joint. These joints can move up and down or backwards and forwards like door, hinge. Knee and elbow are the example of hinge joint. Second is a ball and socket joint. One of the bones ends in a ball that fits into a hole, socket. In the another bone, femur and upper arm bone are the example. Pivot joint. It connects the skull and spine. It allows the head to rotate and also move it upwards and downwards. Sliding joint. Wrist and ankle have sliding joints. This allows to move hand and foot from side to side as well as backwards and forwards. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye.